Hello, this is a throttle actuator from a BMW M3 E92, and this is a video how to use a normal soldering iron to remove the 5 MOSFETs from the PCB. The problem is the whole PCB or the whole electronic is painted with protective lacquer, so you have to use a sharp knife to carefully scrape off the coating from the 3 connections. There are 2 little legs, and here's a bigger connector on the other side. And it is a surface mounted device, and the whole component is soldered onto the PCB. After you have removed the coating, you can use a wire cutter to cut the legs on the other side, and now you can start to heat up the component with your soldering iron. Wait a few seconds and then start to twist the components with your tweezer, because there's a lot of lacquer all around the component, and it's a little bit hard to break off the lacquer from the PCB. That's it. Thank you and goodbye.